Hello, hello everyone. Today we are going to question on Leetcode weekly content. So we have question 3019 that here we have number of changing keys. So we have given a problem statement. We have done problem statement that given a string, we are given a string s tagged by user. Okay. Simply our input going by user. Okay. So we have to find changing key in this string. What is changing key? Changing key is a key which is different from the last used key. Simple. Okay. For example, here AB has change of key because A is different from key B. A and B both are different. But in case of B here, if we use other A or A, it's not a changing of key because uh, we produce A and A, that uppercase and lowercase, from the same key. And here also mention in notes that we have to ignore shift and lock key. That means small and lower and uppercase key. So just we have to find the number of changing key. Here the number of changing key. Okay. So what we do here, given example, so let's understand the example. We are given a string A, B, B, C, C. So in this given string, we have to find the changing key. How many times they change the key. So when we first what we do, we will just convert this string either in lowercase, that's in a small letter, or in uppercase, that means capital letter. So what we do first, we convert this into lowercase. Now this string becomes A, B, B, C, C. Okay. Now in this string, we have to find the number of changing keys. How many times we change the key. So when we start counting from here, what we got A, and before A we don't have anything, so we move forward. Then what we do, we compare A and with A, both are same. That means here is not occurring any change of key. Okay, change of key count is 0. Now again, we are at here, we compare A with previous A. Okay, we don't have any change of key. And when we move at B, we compare B with A, we have a different key. A is different, B is different. So we have one changing of key till here. Okay. So as mentioned, we have to just find a changing of key, and changing of key is defined here that we have last used key different from the last used key. So B is different from the last used key A. And when we move again at B here, it's not a changing of key. The previous key is also B, so we don't have to increment the count. And when we move at here, the C, so we again compare C with B, and the change of key is occurred here. So we have to increment the count by 1. Now its count is 2. And when we move to C, we compare C, and it's not different from the previous used key. So we don't have to increment the count, and we are at the end of the string. So the total number of key, changing key here is 2. This is our answer. This should be our answer. Okay. So first, I will explain you my algo, like my way how I proceeded with this question. So just nothing. I just do some first, which I mentioned earlier, that I just convert the whole string in lowercase. Okay, A B B C C. Now, now we have to read this line carefully, and we understand, and we have to make comparison between the previous key and the current key, not the next key. So uh, instead of starting from here, we will start from here. Why? Because here we don't have any previous key, so it's just a waste of one equation when we start from here. So we will start from here. Okay. Now we compare. Simple. Okay. So that means we will start from I is equal to 1. Now, now we will compare it with the previous. How we will compare? For compare in the loop, we will write something str, that's our string, str of I. We will compare with should str of I should not equal to str of I minus 1. That means current key should not equal to previous key. In this case only, we will increment the count by 1. Okay, count plus plus. Otherwise, we simply ignore this. Okay, so when we at A, we don't have count. When we at again at B, we have here we will go into this if block, and we have count 1. Okay, and when we move again B, here we will compare with the previous B. We don't have to increment the count. And when we move at C, we will compare C with B, and we have to increment for by 1 again. Now we will move further ahead, and when we are at C, we don't have to increment the count because both are here in same. Eventually, when we are at C, we are also reach the end of the string. So we just end the whole loop, our loop, name type loop is used, and we simply return the count till we have counted, and that would be our answer. It's a very basic level of question, and it's mentioned here difficulty level is easy. Okay, so now I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ आ गया होगा, और हम आपको अभी इसके बाद अपने कोड को दिखाते हैं. मैंने इसे अप्रोच किया था. So first of all, I have to rub all these things. Uh, yeah. I will erase all these things. Okay. Okay. Everything. Yeah. Now it's clean. So I will show you my code, which I submitted to the machine during contest. Okay. Let's. I already explained the approach. I will just explain the code. Okay. So, yeah. Mm, yeah. So I solved this problem in Java. Okay. So here the given function, and it's given string parameter. I just simply convert the string into the overcases, and just kept the length of the string is to the length of the string. Just iterate over the string, and we have count. As the final value of this count will be our answer. Okay. So I started from I is equal to 1 here, and just travel from I is equal to 0 to length, and simply just as I mentioned, that compare with the current value with previous value, and we simply increment the count again and again whenever we have different value from the previous value, and simply when we at the end of the loop, we will simply return the answer as a count. Okay, I hope ये आपको समझ आया होगा। थैंक यू।